Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing kind of an unboxing. So this unboxing is from DPClubs. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to DPClubs. So I decided to separate this out from the diamond paintings I got from them because it's a accessory and I was planning to try to put it together on camera. And who knows how long this will take, right? So this is a drill tray holder. So I had not gotten one of these before because I don't diamond paint where I have all my colors in trays, but my mom does. So she has been putting all her colors in trays and then she just has them all around her, and I was like, wait, I should get one of these things. And I just never went and bought one of these because I don't do it that way. So I do notice that this does look like it got kind of messed up over here. But let's hope that we just hide that on the bottom somewhere. So yes, lots of pieces, and there's instructions. So this drill tray on DPClubs is $18.79. This is the one that's supposed to be able to hold 16 trays. They do have one that is smaller that could hold 9 trays. And then there's a whole bunch of different versions. Their 9 tray one is $11.79. And then there are ones where like you could get this one with trays. I didn't get it with trays because I have tons of trays. And then you could get ones with like other accessories. I just got this because I have plenty of trays. So let's see how hard, easy this will be to put together. So I like to put the pieces that are similar together. That's okay. So let's see. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it looks like put together plate 1 and 2, but it doesn't say which one or which. But this looks like it could be plate 1 and 2. So plate 1 and 2, and then these look the same, and it looks like it goes like that. But yeah, nope, I never got one of these because I was not really the type to... Okay, so I put this together and it says to use the rubber bands. So let's rubber band this. I kind of feel like I should put the other stuff together. I'm going to rubber band just one. In case I can't put these in. So I'm guessing, depending on which direction you want, where see, this is the part where you could put pens. So I guess if you do it this way, you could put the pens on that side. If you do it this way, the pens are on that side. I'm going for, I want my pens on this side. So I didn't put the rubber band on the other side in case, I don't know, in case. Which one was the one that was kind of messed up? I don't even see it anymore, so oh well. The one that kind of looked like it got ripped. So I think everything is... Maybe this won't be that long of a video. Maybe I'm not as incompetent as I think in building. So let's put these rubber bands. See, now I'm going to put all the rubber bands, because I figured these just slide in. I don't need to slide those in yet. There's actually a good amount of these rubber bands. I don't think I need them all. Okay. Yeah, so I was probably able to... Yeah, and see the part that got kind of messed up, it just happened to be at the bottom, so then you won't see it. Okay, so while I'm trying to turn it around so I could put the rubber bands, it's not cooperating with me because it wants to fall out. So I'm just going to turn it this way and put the rubber bands in while it's not upside down. Well, if I just put one rubber band on each one, it won't fall out. The really thick, I don't know if these are rubber bands or more like O-rings. Okay, so it wants to come out while I'm putting it in. Okay. So hopefully now I could turn it this way. It'll be easier to put the rubber bands in without everything falling out. Okay. So I guess you have to build it yourself so that it doesn't maybe break during transport because... Okay, I think I have rubber band everything I could possibly rubber band. So I have like 4 extra rubber bands. And did I mess up? Should these have gone in already? No, yes, I messed up. I thought that these would just go in. Okay, so maybe there was a reason this was longer. Okay, so someone was a massive dum-dum here and should have, you know, read instructions, looked at the pictures more. Oh, one rubber band flew away. Was able to find it. Okay, so because someone thought those just slipped in later on, when apparently it does not slip in later on, but in fact these things go through them. Maybe that's why they kept falling out when I was trying to so there. That's what I get for trying to do this on camera, is I mess up. Okay, so now this gets slides into here. So yeah, there. This one is not lined up in the middle. There. So now, that might actually make putting the rubber bands easier because now all the pieces are not just falling out. But at least it seems relatively easy to take apart, so if you're no longer using this for whatever reason, you could repackage it and it'll be smaller again. Okay, so there. Woo! There it is. Let's test out the pen capability. So I have this pen, because why not? Or can we put it, no. I have that pen there. I'm just looking at pens I have in here. That fits into there. So I don't know what we would use the smaller holes for. Can it fit? Tweezers? Maybe tweezers. So there's the pen stuff here. And then I have my mini boat collection here. So let's see. So there I have these green square boats, and it doesn't seem, it will fit, but it's very tight, so it doesn't seem to like this green square boat. I have this green boat that's bigger than this boat, do you see? And is this the same size? So I was like, okay, let me see what all the different trays I could put in. So here's the clear tray. Here is the Mosfa tray. I think the white trays are the same size as that one. So then I was like, okay, that fits kind of. It's not the best fit. I have this bigger boat here. Actually, I think this is probably what it's made for, whatever this bigger, I barely have any of these, so I think that's my only one of those. And then I have this one, which is a little bit bigger, I mean a little bit smaller. And then here's the normal green boat, so yeah, I think if I had a whole bunch more of these ones, they would fit. I don't know if it'll fit, but these are some of the bigger tray I get from, like, nope. So these are all trays I've gotten with diamond paintings. And then the Mosfa tray. Yeah, no, the Mosfa tray I think is a perfect fit. So I would probably, if I had enough Mosfa trays, that's what I would probably put in here, the Mosfa trays. And then, like, here's the white boat. Here's the clear boat. And so, yeah. The only thing is, how would you label what's in there? Like, would you just be like, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I doubt I would use this for the pens, but it is a good option. If you wanted to use it for the pens instead of having multiple. So yeah, I think the Mosfa tray is the one that best fits. So there. I actually don't have that many Mosfa trays, remarkably, because they don't come with a lot of diamond paintings, and they're like my favorite of the white trays because they're just bigger, much bigger than these small trays here. See, it's much bigger. And this one, I don't even know which diamond painting I got that from, but that's the only one of those I have. So yeah, and then yeah, this square one is too small. So yeah, so yeah, if I had enough Mosfa trays, that's what I would probably put in here. But since I don't, then I'm gonna have to just put in some of these white trays here. So yeah, I don't know if my mom will like this or not, but she's probably going to be the one that tries it because, yeah, no, I do one color at a time. I'm too afraid that I'm just going to, like, spill some, and my mom has spilled some, FY, but, she seems fine with having spilled some. So yeah, the only thing is, like, where would you label the things? I know some people have the tray stoppers, and I've contemplated buying the tray stoppers, but I don't know if they would fit my trays, all my trays, so I haven't bought the tray stoppers. And they're like $1 each, so I'm like, I don't want to spend $1 each and then find out it doesn't fit my trays. So yeah. There is my tray holder here. I'm not, yeah, like I said, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it'll work. But yeah, I think these are all the trays that I have that could possibly try on this here. So, oh yeah, and I guess, I don't know if I never measured it. In case you want to know how much space this takes, it's about 26 centimeters. A little bit more than 26 centimeters. And height-wise, this thing is about 7 centimeters. And width-wise, this thing is about 9.5 centimeters. So yeah, I think this was meant for the Mosfa tray, which is great because that's like my favorite tray if I had more of them. That's what I would have this full of. And that is all I have for today. So thank you to DPClubs for sending this item for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!